Is the US dollar's reign coming to an end? Join us as we uncover the controversial predictions surrounding its future. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss the latest trends and happenings in the world of finance. In today's video, we are going to delve into the highly debated and controversial topic, the future of the US dollar. Is the US dollar going to die? Many experts have expressed concerns about the sustainability of the US dollar as the world's dominant reserve currency. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind the speculation and examine its potential consequences. So, let's dive in. What is the US dollar and why is it important? The US dollar reigns as the currency of the United States, serving as the world's most widely used medium of exchange. Its pervasive adoption spans international trade and domestic transactions within the United States. Given its paramount position, the value of the US dollar holds profound implications for the global economy. Fluctuations in its worth can reverberate across the prices of goods and services worldwide, underscoring the currency's far-reaching impact on economic dynamics. Reasons for concern about the future value of the US dollar. Since the historic Bretton Woods Agreement in 1944, the US dollar has reigned as the global reserve currency, facilitating international trade, investments, and serving as a cornerstone of central bank reserves worldwide. However, there are growing concerns about the future value of the US dollar. Here are some of the reasons why. Number 1. National debt. For decades, the US government has grappled with a substantial budget deficit, leading to the accumulation of a massive national debt. With a debt-to-GDP ratio surpassing 100%, the US owes more than its annual economic output. As of 2023, the national debt stands at a staggering $31.4 trillion, roughly $95,000 per citizen. This alarming level of debt raises concerns about its sustainability. If the US fails to effectively manage its debt, it could erode investor confidence in its ability to repay, potentially leading to a devaluation of the US dollar. Number 2. Trade deficit. In recent years, the mounting US trade deficit has emerged as a pressing concern. This deficit arises when a country's imports surpass its exports, resulting in a net outflow of dollars and potentially impacting the currency's value. Since the 1970s, the US trade deficit has steadily expanded, culminating in a staggering $916 billion record high in 2020. While imports bring benefits to consumers, an extensive trade deficit can lead to job losses in sectors like manufacturing and exert pressure on the nation's currency. Striving to achieve a trade balance becomes crucial for the U.S. to safeguard the long-term value of the U.S. dollar. Number 3. Inflation. Inflation, the upward movement in the general price level of goods and services, plays a crucial role in influencing a currency's value. While the U.S. has experienced relatively low inflation rates in recent years, concerns arise due to a substantial stimulus package enacted to address the COVID-19 pandemic. The Federal Reserve has expressed its willingness to tolerate temporary inflation surpassing its 2% target to stimulate economic growth. However, if inflation persists at elevated levels, the US dollar's value may decline as the currency's purchasing power weakens. It becomes imperative for the US government to diligently monitor inflation and strive for stability to preserve the value of the US dollar. Number 4. Interest rates. Interest rates yield substantial influence over the value of the US dollar. These rates dictate the cost of borrowing funds and impact investment returns. Higher interest rates often entice investors to favor a currency, as they can earn greater profits on their investments. Consequently, demand for the currency rises, bolstering its value. Conversely, lower interest rates may reduce investors' interest, potentially diminishing demand and causing the currency's value to decline. The U.S. Federal Reserve assumes the responsibility of setting interest rates for the domestic economy, and its decisions significantly impact the global value of the US dollar. Striking a balance between fostering economic growth and maintaining stable interest rates becomes imperative for the Federal Reserve to preserve the value of the US dollar. Number 5. Geopolitical factors. Geopolitical dynamics exert a significant influence on the value of the US dollar. Factors such as political instability, trade tensions, and international conflicts introduce uncertainty in the global market, thereby diminishing demand for the currency. In times of political upheaval or conflict, investors often seek safe havens like gold or alternative currencies, leading to reduced demand for the US dollar. Trade tensions between the US and other nations can also impact the currency's value, as countries may seek to diversify their reliance on US goods and services by transacting in other currencies. Maintaining stable international relationships and proactively addressing conflicts becomes crucial for the U.S. government to ensure the stability of the U.S. dollar on the global stage. Number 6. Emergence of alternative currencies. The rise of alternative currencies possesses a potential impact on the value of the U.S. dollar. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained significant popularity, leading some experts to speculate that they could eventually challenge traditional currencies, including the U.S. dollar. While cryptocurrencies are not yet widely accepted as a mainstream form of payment, their increasing recognition and adoption could reduce the demand for conventional currencies, including the U.S. dollar. Furthermore, certain countries like China and Russia have been exploring the development of their own digital currencies, further influencing the global value of the U.S. dollar. Vigilant monitoring by the U.S. government is crucial to safeguard the continued strength and stability of the U.S. dollar amidst the emergence of alternative currencies. Number 7. Political factors. Policy instability can exert a profound influence on a currency's value. In recent years, the United States has faced notable political turmoil marked by escalating polarization and internal division. Such instability has the potential to erode the trust in the U.S. dollar, triggering a decrease in its value. A confidence wavers amidst the prevailing uncertainties. The currency may suffer adverse consequences. It's crucial to address and mitigate the factors contributing to the political instability to preserve the strength and stability of the U.S. dollar in the global market. Counter-arguments to concerns about the future value of the U.S. dollar. While concerns about the future value of the U.S. dollar are valid, several counter-arguments offer a more balanced perspective. Firstly, the U.S. economy remains the largest and most influential globally, providing the U.S. dollar with a level of stability and strength that sets it apart from other currencies. Moreover, the U.S. government has demonstrated a commitment to addressing its debt levels and ensuring the long-term stability of the U.S. dollar. Initiatives such as quantitative easing implemented by the Federal Reserve have been designed to stimulate the economy and mitigate the risk of deflation, thus bolstering the currency's standing. Finally, while alternative currencies like Bitcoin present certain advantages over traditional currencies, they also come with their own risks and limitations. Their volatile nature and susceptibility to significant price fluctuations raise concerns, and their acceptance among merchants and consumers is not yet widespread. In conclusion, the future of the U.S. dollar is a topic that sparks intense debate and speculation. While concerns about rising debts, the emergence of alternative currencies, and geopolitical shifts are valid, the demise of the U.S. dollar is not a foregone conclusion. Its status as the world's dominant reserve currency depends on various factors and the actions taken by governments and central banks. As the financial landscape evolves, it is essential to stay informed and continue engaging in discussions like these. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on finances and economics. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.